This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lavinia Govinder. Welcome to this exceptional 3-bed, 2-bath rental home in a prime location. Boasting an oversized living area and spacious primary bedroom, this well-maintained property features a modern kitchen, a dedicated laundry room with a full-size washer/dryer, and a bright, open floor plan. Enjoy outdoor living on the screened-in back porch overlooking a fully fenced yard. It is located minutes from major shopping centers, restaurants, and highways, with easy access to Nova University, Broward College, and FAU. The central location near highly rated schools makes this home perfect for families, professionals, or students. This property combines comfort, space, and convenience in one of the area's most desirable neighborhoods. Available for immediate move-in. 2 parking spots in front of the home. For more information